Oh, of course. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So today we're headed to KSIX's house. Why you may ask? And that's because my clutch cable's going out. It's starting to fray, and my boy Kenny is going to let me borrow his R1 while we wait for the part. And I'll explain all that in a minute. But first, we gotta get this thing going because the battery's dead. Because it gets so cold out here at night that the battery just dies. So that's gonna be another thing I'm gonna have to buy. But let's just go. Let's get it started. Alright, like I said, we're going to Kenny's house. We're going to do a little bike swap. Kenny's going to let me borrow his R1 while we wait for the parts for this thing. And I'm going to go into detail with all of that. And we're probably going to go grab something to eat. But just the ride to Kenny's is already a precarious situation. I'm doing everything I can to not use the clutch as much as possible. Basically, I'm doing clutchless upshifting. And on the way there, once I get the freeway, my plan is I'm going 6th gear all the way. I don't care if there's traffic, whatever's going on, 6th gear. So on the way home, there was a bunch of situations that when I realized what was going on, that I was a little bit worried. So anyways, we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's go ahead and get to Kenny's house and get this thing going. All right, guys, so we're at Kenny's, dropping off the GSX and at my mechanic shop, aka Kenny's house, KSIX, and yeah, and I'll be taking his R1 for till that gets resolved, and I'll talk about that in a minute because that's a story in of itself. Yeah, I am so full. This is ridiculous. I'm glad I didn't finish it.
It looked like your eyes were getting watery there for a minute.
I'm a glutton for punishment. I would have, if I didn't have to ride it, maybe I would have just been like, oh, push through.
Oh, fuck it.
I'm not a quitter. But that was so much, and I'm like, bitch, I gotta ride home. This is gonna hurt. I'm gonna have to shit myself. Anyways, guys, so we out with KSIX. As you can see, I'm on his R1. He's on his H2. We're just going for a little cruise before I head home. Just a nice, slow, take it easy type cruise. Maybe go get some coffee. But, so this is a story about my bike. Basically, I was riding home one day. I had trouble shifting gears going down. I could go up, I couldn't go down. And so I'm riding, and I'm like, fuck, what is going on? And then I get to a stoplight, and the clutch is in, but the bike is still kind of pulling forward. And I'm like, oh, that's not good. And then, so I get to a gas station close to my house, and I start adjusting the clutch, but it's not making any fucking difference. And I think, all right, maybe I just got to adjust it down by the clutch plates and stuff, wherever the, you know, I think that's how it goes, right? That's what it's called, the clutch plates. Anyways, so I get home and I mess with it there, and it kind of makes it better. But then I look at the clutch lever, and I can see that the clutch cable is fraying a bit. So that's the problem. So I'm like, you know what? I call Kenny. I'm like, here's the deal. He's like, no problem. That's an easy fix. A one beer job. And so I start calling around, trying to find the part. Well, wouldn't you fucking know it? Nobody has the part. And when I mean nobody, I mean nobody in San Diego, nobody in Los Angeles, nobody near me, and nobody online. That includes Razilla, Babbitt's, Bike Bandit, all these companies. Nobody has it. Yeah. So apparently, it's on back order from Suzuki. Suzuki themselves don't even have the fucking part. So I was kind of waiting. I was like, man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And our Mr. KSIX here was like, well, drop it off, and you can borrow my R1 for a bit while we wait for the part. So hopefully it doesn't take too long. But yeah, so I'm gonna ride this for hopefully just a couple days, because I work from home on Monday and Tuesday.
And I'm not riding it, so.
So yeah. So I appreciate it, sir. Appreciate it. And yeah, I'm probably gonna call tomorrow and see the update on where the hell that cable is. On the second note, we went to eat at Funky Fries, and I'll put the picture in right here. Oh my god, so good. Except, I am so uncomfortable right now. I am so uncomfortable being that full and like riding. That's like the worst. That's almost as bad as having to take a shit when you're riding and you feel every bump. You know when you feel the bump and you're like, oh my butthole's gonna explode. My butthole's gonna explode.
That's how you're gonna feel in a couple hours.
Yeah.
I bet you'll have to shit before you get home.
Oh man, I hope not. Well, especially if we get coffee.
You're gonna be in that stretch between San Diego and Temecula where there's like nothing.
My wife's gonna be like, why are you sweating? It's not hot out. I'm like, oh, you don't know. You don't know.
Bitch, get out of my way.
Get the fuck out of the way, dog. I'll be laying on the bathroom floor. I didn't make it. I didn't make it.
I can't see.
Don't look at me.
Oh, I can't know.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I can't see.
I mean, this guy over here riding with his balls fucking sore.
Yeah.
That's another level.
Yeah, I had a vasectomy earlier this week.
Am I getting over here?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit sore right now.
A bit sore.
I got lots of padding and cushion down there.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. And this is where the stunt spot is.
Over here?
Yeah, the 905 stunt spot, somewhere over here.
Oh, yeah, I've never been there. Yeah, nobody invites me out of those types of things, and I probably would go anyway.
Oh, you just show up.
Yeah, just showing up. I could probably do all that stuff anyway, but you know, I don't want
Choose not to.
Yeah,
I agree with you. Yeah. I could totally do it. I choose not to.
That'd be the first and last time I do it.
You do it once and that's it.
Yeah, that's all you need, right? You just gotta be spectacular.
As long as they catch it on video,
yep.
You can edit out the fucked up liftoff and the fucked up crashing, and then all of a sudden you're a professional. Everything in the middle.
Yep.
Oh, look at him go up, and then you play it in reverse, so it goes back down.
Fucking nailed it.
Yeah. Yeah. God damn kidding. That thing is fast as fuck.
Border Patrol won't give you a ticket, right? No.
Oh, they don't care.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna even fuck with them.
Remember when we used to go to Temecula or to
yeah.
that dude be wheeling right past them over and over again?
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't care. You know what I'm butt hurt more than anything?
What?
Is that we moved and they finally finish like that whole shopping center. There's like a Jersey Mike's, there's a Starbucks. Dude, when we moved in here, they actually tore it all down, and then we were like, yeah, they're gonna build stuff. And then we lived there for 6 years, nothing. And right when we leave, they're like, oh, we're gonna build it now.
They were just waiting for you.
Yeah, they were waiting.
What would happen if the Jersey Mike's was there?
Oh, they're like, this guy's never gonna leave. Jersey Mike's is pretty good. It's expensive though.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
That was dope.
That's pretty nice.
Hey, there's a cop up there. You see it?
Yep, I do now. Shift up a gear so I'm nice and quiet. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh, shit. No bueno. There was muy bueno with the car, and then no bueno with that car. Oh, they painted this place. They changed the fence. It was a wood fence.
Oh. At one point in my life, I was trying to do the Boston Half Marathon.
Did they put a table out there?
I don't know. Oh, there's like a hot tub or something?
I don't know what they got going on
They got
back
a
there.
fucking hot tub? Oh, no, they don't. It looks like a bunch of trash over there.
Yeah, they keep it dirty. That's just because.
Wait, I was training for the Boston Half Marathon.
Uh-huh.
And the most I could ever get was like 11 miles.
Ooh, that's still...
I'd always read like you hit a wall and you gotta like push past that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, at some point we were like, nope. And yeah, right around 11 miles is where I hit that.
You're like, that's about all I can do.
Yeah, fuck all that. I never did run the marathon.
Oh, there you go.
And then,
look at him, he's bouncing.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to see if you can get him to do it for video. Yeah, that's dope.
Yeah. I'll give you a little bit of footage I got too.
I really hope I caught that. Oh, I did. That's fucking sick.
Little jumping around.
I used to want one really bad, like have a lowrider. It's just so expensive.
Yeah.
I had a friend, his uncle had one, and he was getting a divorce, and his wife was getting the car.
Oh no.
So he took all the hydraulics out of the car, and then he put sand in the air filter. And he was like, she can have the fucking car. He didn't say it had to work.
Oh shit.
And so he put sand in the air filter. I was like, oh, okay.
He didn't say it has to have wheels.
God damn, Kenny. That thing is stupid fast.
Dude, my AC was slow as fuck. I got like a baby H2.
1, 2, 3. God damn. So we'll go down, make a U-turn, go to Starbucks.
I had a butterscotch latte from there the other day.
Ew.
Hey.
Oh, calm down, white girl.
Not pumpkin, okay?
It's close enough. Fucking butterscotch.
It was good, okay?
Well, butterscotch is what like old people drink though. Those butterscotch candies. That's what them 90-year-olds fucking have.
Hey, people got it right, man.
Hey, Sonny, do you need a butterscotch candy?
Yes, Grandma, I do. Yeah, you know what? They understand.
They know what's up.
Yeah, that old candy. And you know, if you think about it, all this newfangled like sodas and
Newfangled.
Newfangled. Yeah, and they always go back to the original shit because people want the original. They want that. They want that sugar cane. They want the fucking Coke original recipe.
They want that good.
That good. They want cocaine. They want Coke made with real cocaine. Yeah. So many white people around here.
There are a lot of white people around here.
Mm-hmm.
You know we can go, right?
Yeah, I'm just trying not to break any laws.
I'm sorry, sir. He's like, can you lift your visor? I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah,
I'm black. I don't want you to see it.
I don't want you to judge me.
He opens up and you have blue contact lenses on.
My face is covered in like one of those masks and you just see my eyes.
Oh, damn. Fuck.
No.
I wanted to pull over.
And what?
Put on my story.
Your story?
Yeah, my book.
Oh yeah, because you won't be able to do it when
Yeah.
you're on the highway. Alright,
Are we able to pull over here?
there's a
Oh, we could have made it right there.
Right here, over here.
Oh, okay.
You gotta listen to your stories.
My stories. All right, good call. Well, people. Oh, there's a lot of shit there.
Yeah, there is.
I don't like that. All right, right here. Just stop.
Yeah.
All right, people.
Oh, there's something in the road right there.
I don't know.
Plate or something.
All right, let me take this off. All right, people. Well, we're gonna end it here. I'm gonna put on my stories. I gotta put my audiobook on. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Fun time. Big shout out to Kenny for letting me ride the R1. Go check him out, even though he hasn't really done shit. So.
Hey man, I've been doing life and business.
I've been doing life and stuff. Anyways, peace out.